Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, guys. We are
Waalaikumsalam
from Group
warahmatullahi
8. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ansar Mudin, and my group mates are Mrs. Prita, Miss Mariam, Miss Elis, Miss Marcy, Mr. Komar. Today we are to talk about what is the time and simple present tense. What is the time? There are two types of time mentioned, namely the 24-hour system and the 12-hour system. Indonesia uses a 24-hour system. Less that use English use a 12-hour system, which only states the time up to 12 according to the number of digits on the hour. The difference is in the times EM intermediate for midday and PM post midday or past midday. Telling the time. We ask at plus time when giving the time of a specific event. Example, the class starts at 9 o'clock. The flight leaves at 10 to 3. We ask it is answer a question that asks for the time right now. What time is it? It is 4:30. What's the time? It's 20 to 5. There are two common ways of filling the time. One, say the hour first and the 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 minutes or half plus minutes are also called the American style. Example, it is 6:25. It is 8:05. It is 9:11. It's 2:34. Number two, say the minutes first and then the hour. Or minutes plus parts at 2 plus hour are also called the bird style. 4 minutes 1:30 pass after the minutes. Example, it's 25 to 3. It's 20 past 11. It's 18 past 4. It's 9 to 9. It's 1 to 3. When it is 50 minutes past the hour, we normally say quarter past 7. When it is 50 minutes before the hour, we normally say a quarter to it's a quarter. When it is 30 minutes past the hour, we normally say half past. It is half past 3 o'clock. Which o'clock when there are no minutes? It's 10 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Sometimes it's waiting is 9 o'clock. 12 there are some expansion in English. 12 o'clock, midday, noon, midnight. Asking for the time. The common question from we ask to ask for the time right now are what time is it? What is the time? A more polite way to ask for the time, especially from a stranger, is call your tell me time please. The common question from we ask us the at what time a specific when will happen are example what time, when, I am PM. We don't normally use the 24-hour clock in English. We ask AM for the morning and p.m. for the afternoon at night. 3 3 o'clock in the morning. 3 p.m. the o'clock in the afternoon. What is simple present? Simple present tense in the form of a sentence denoting general statement of fact and running activities. Next, my friend, Mrs. Brita will talk over. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. What is simple present? Simple present tense is the form of a sentence denoting general statement or fact and
Oke,
routine.
siap. Bentar.
Bentuk kalimat yang menunjukkan pernyataan atau fakta umum dan kegiatan rutin. We use the present simple. 1. To talk about activities that repeat regularly, routine habit. For example, Peter goes to work by bus. My friend learns English. I drink coffee every morning. 2. To talk about permanent situation and state. Example, I have to catch a dog. We like animals. The Smiths don't enjoy big parties. 3. To talk about general truths. Example, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. The earth is round. 4. To talk about future official event or timetable which we cannot change. Example, the train leaves at it's 25 past 6. The lesson EM. The lesson start at 8 EM. We use the present simple. 5. We often use the following time adverbs with the present simple. Example, always, usually, regularly, every morning, night, evening, afternoon, often, sometimes, occasionally, time to time, twice a week, rarely, seldom, once a month, hardly ever, never. Always, usually, regularly, rarely, seldom, often, occasionally, hardly ever, never, ever, between the subject and the verb. Example, I always walk to school. He regularly swim and plays tennis. Some people never tell truth. Other adverbs usually appear at the end or at the beginning of the sentence. Example, I have a haircut once a month. From time to time, my family go for a picnic in the forest. We use question with how often to ask about the frequency of something happening. Example, how often do you go swimming? Once a week. How often does the manager go away? Twice a month. How often does he watch television? Every evening. Time signal of present tense. Meaning, always, on and off, as a rule, generally, normally, usually, never, regularly, sometimes, seldom, nowadays, steadily, frequently, here. There, time signal of present tense. There, every day, every other day, every Sunday, every week, now and then, occasionally, once in a while, one a week. We will divide the pronoun into two groups. One, he, see, it. Singular form is in aid to the verb ate. He talks, she loves. Two, are you there? Plural form no s is added to the verb ate. He talks, she loves. Proof for adding is to he, see, it. One, we eat is to the best form when the verb ends with example what, what's, did, teach. Two, when the verb ends with I and there is a consonant before, we will drop it and add is. Example, flies, carries. When the verb ends with I and there is a vowel before, we will not drop the A and add just S. Play, plays. Ya, silakan Mr. Komar.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Prita. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Komarudin. Jadi ini adalah formation of a simple present tense. Simple present tense, formula for verbal sentence, S atau subject ditambah dengan verb one, subject or S plus complement. Subjeknya ini kita bisa gunakan I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Atau verbnya kita bisa guna verb one-nya ini ditambah dengan complement object, adjective, verb, atau etc. For example is I go to school atau she goes to school. Next. Simple present tense, formula negatif, verbal sentence, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb one plus complement. Subjeknya ini I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Auxiliary plus not, ini do not atau bisa gunakan don't. Does not bisa kita gunakan doesn't untuk he, she, it. Verb one-nya kata objektif. Adjective, adverb, and etc-nya. Example, I don't go to school. Atau she don't go to school. Untuk simple present formula interrogatif, verbal sentence, do or does plus subject plus verb one plus complement. Do or does, atau kita bisa gunakan subjek ini do, does, subjek I, you, we, they. Bisa gunakan verb one, dan he, she, it, verb one. Complement, object, adjective, adverb, and etc. Dan tanda tanya. For example, misalnya, do you go to school? Atau does she go to school? Next. Simple present formula for nominal sentence, subject plus am, or are or is plus complement. Subject I, you, we, they, verbnya am, are. He, she, it, verb is. For example, she is beautiful. I am strong. Okay, next. Simple present formula negative nominal sentence. Subject plus am or is or are plus not plus complement. Subjek bisa gunakan I, you, we, they. I untuk auxiliary not-nya am not or I'm not. You, we, they are not atau are not. he, she, it, is not atau isn't. For example, she is not beautiful, I'm not strong. Okay, next. Simple present formula interrogative, nominal sentence. I'm or is or are plus s plus complement. Auxiliary. Am, are, is. Subject. I, you, we, they. He is, she, it. He, she, it. Complement bisa gunakan kata apapun. Question mark untuk bertanya. For example, is she beautiful? Atau am I strong? Okay, next. Question asking what, who, we, what, who, where, when, why, how. When, ha atau how plus do plus does plus subject verb one plus complement. When atau how, do atau does, subjeknya bisa gunakan I, you, we, they, he, she, it untuk verb one ditambah dengan complement. For example, where do you go? Atau where does she go? Untuk bertanya. Question asking what, who, we, where, when, why, how. Untuk who, where, auxiliary-nya am, are, is. Subjeknya kita bisa gunakan I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Untuk kalimat question mark, pertanyaan. For example, where are you? Atau where is she? Okay, next. Oke, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Kurang lebih. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, group
8.
Group 8.
Yes.
Okay, I want to talk to you about before your presentation, you have to prepare about whatever you have to prepare. One of the preparation is pronounce. You have to how to pronounce the words, how to pronounce the sentence. So you have to prepare about your presentation. Jadi ada begitu banyak kesalahan-kesalahan ketika membaca bahasa Inggris ya. Jadi sebelum kalian presentasi, kalau bisa cari tahu cara bacanya seperti apa supaya tidak salah ya.
Baik, Pak.
Oke, jadi saya share screen dulu ya. Seperti contohnya, for example, nah tadi dibilang ini bacanya apa? Ini bacanya etc. ya, dan lain-lain. Ada yang tahu bacanya ini apa? Etc. ya. Bukan etc. Saya bacanya etc. Atau orang bisa bilang so on dan lain-lain. Jadi bukan bacanya etc. etc kayak mall ya kalau etc. Oke, jadi apalagi yang harus dipelajari about pronunciation. Jadi sama juga yang yang ini bacanya bukan jadi ini adalah bacanya WH question ya. Ini istilahnya WH question, yaitu memakai what, who, where, when, why, how. Nanti akan dijelaskan grup 9 ya. Kemudian dalam pengucapan TH. Ada TH, mana itu ya? Jadi saya udah pernah kasih tahu belum ya? Jadi ini pelajaran ya. Ini kelihatan?
Oke, Pak.
Kelihatan ya?
Kelihatan, Pak.
Kelihatan, Pak.
Oke, jadi bedanya baca ini. Tahu kan bedanya?
Three.
Ini coba.
Three.
Ini kalau bacanya ini apa?
Three.
Nah, jadi perbedaannya ada di
H.
Nah, jadi di tulisan ini ya, TH-nya ya. Jadi ini bacanya three. Jadi three. Jadi kalau ini three. Jadi salah baca, salah arti soalnya. Kemudian kenapa saya kasih seperti itu? Karena tadi ada kata-kata seperti ini. Jadi setiap ada TH di depan atau di belakang, jadi bacanya month sama earth. Jadi TH-nya ya.
Earth. Month.
Seperti itu. Atau dia both. Ini bukan both ya, both, tapi both. Earth, month. Seperti bacanya. Karena kalau ini bacanya tree, ini bacanya tree, maka artinya sama-sama pohon ya, bukan tiga.
Pohon.
Tapi kalau tiga, dia three. Seperti itu.
Three.
Jadi kalau bisa yang presentasi, you have to prepare, not just read, but you have to know about the pronunciation ya. Jadi harus tahu tentang pronunciation-nya juga supaya nggak salah baca. Okay, any question about? Please share screen again. Okay, any question about what is the time or the simple present? Ini simple present paling sering dipakai karena waktu yang berulang-ulang ya. Yang kita lakukan itu menggunakan simple present. Intinya kalau mau conversation, you have to use simple present, simple continuous, simple past, simple future, simple perfect. Mungkin yang paling sering digunakan itu ada 6 tenses. Tapi semuanya ada 16 sih, tapi nggak semuanya dipakai dalam conversation. Oke, please share screen. Saya aja ya. Coba. Oke, any question about the topic? What is the time or what is the simple present? Another group? Any question?
Present.
Nah, sama juga yang ini ya. Jadi setiap ada kata kerja yang menggunakan ada C, S, di belakangnya ada S, ada X, ada Z, ada O. Itu dia pasti menambahkan IS ya. Kemudian kalau dia ada di belakangnya ada Y, maka dia akan berubah menjadi IES. Jadi fly jadi flies, carry jadi carries. Kemudian play jadi plays. Tapi yang berubah itu hanya kata tunggal ya. Jadi yang berubah itu kata tunggal saja, seperti he, she, it atau nama orang. Tapi kalau dia plural, maka dia tidak ditambah. Di sini tulis plural form, no s atau es. Jadi dia tetap kata kerja pertama. Oke, nggak ada pertanyaan ya, gampang ya. Apalagi tentang waktu gampang juga ya. Biasanya sih dipelajari ini bagus juga, tetapi dalam keseharian yang hanya dipakai itu adalah AM, PM biasanya yang lebih gampang. This is totally difficult to learn about this tentang quarter past, quarter to, atau it's half past, atau it's o'clock. Jadi biasanya orang bilang, what time is it? What time is it now? Kalau ditanya sekarang jam berapa? 11:39. Langsung aja bilang gitu. What time is it? 11:39. Jadi kalau dia misalnya jam 1.30 bilang aja 13:30. Jadi 13.30 langsung sebutin aja angkanya. Kan ribet kan kalau dibilang lagi jam 1 lewat. Kalau yang seperti ini. Tapi nggak apa-apa dipelajari seperti ini. Oke. Any question? Nggak ada ya? Oke, exercise. Setelah kita exercise, nanti langsung grup berikutnya. Silakan, Mbak.
Number 1, exercise, present tense. Number 1, children always blah 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 their
Group 1.
A, are loving. B, is loving. C, love. D, loves. Ya, silakan untuk kelompok pertama, kelompok 1.
Ada.
Kelompok pertama.
Silakan dijawab.
Ada yang mau jawab nggak selain saya? Kelompok 1. Afid.
Aku deh.
Oh, iya benar.
Oke.
Aku boleh nggak?
Satu kelompok yang kelompok 1 aja. Ada Bu Afid, teman-teman yang
Kalau kelompok 1 nggak bisa dialihkan.
Dilempar.
Itu Maria tuh.
Ya udah, jawabannya C. Love.
No. Ya, kelompok berapa, Maria?
Kelompok 1 dia.
Kelompok 1 saya.
Kelompok
1. It's correct.
Number 2, the man always blah 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 the truth. A, tells. B, is telling. C, telling. D, are telling. Kelompok 2, please.
Silakan yang lain, ada Pak Zuria, ada Mbak Meka.
Nah, ini juga ada kata-kata TH di belakangnya ya. Bacanya apa? Truth.
The truth.
Ada sama kayak both kayak tadi kan. Ini truth. Jangan bilang truth ya. Nanti dibilang Blackpink, truth ya. Iya.
Kelompok 2 silakan Pak Zuria, ada Bu Meka, ada Bu Wiwi.
Saya.
Ada ya silakan.
Jawabannya A, tells.
Oke. Ya. Number 3, the students usually blah 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 15 minutes before the class starts. A. To come. B. Come. C. Come. D. Are coming. Kelompok 3.
C. Come.
Bu Siti Wijayanti ya? Number 4, everybody, blah, 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 work hard every day. E, doesn't. B, isn't. C, don't. D, aren't.
Aku mau jawab boleh nggak?
Yang
Aku
kelompok
boleh
4.
nggak, Kak?
Mbak Ana kelompok 4 buka.
Kelompok 4, Mbak Ana.
Yang kelompok 4 silakan.
Doesn't. Everybody doesn't work hard every day.
Correct. Ana ya?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Number 5, blah blah blah, to temple every time. E, does you go. B, do you go. C, are you go. D, have you go. Kelompok 5 siapa ya?
Saya. B, do you go.
Oke, correct.
Mbak Esra.
Esra tadi yang jawab ya?
Baiklah ini.
Baiklah ini, Bu.
Lanjut ya. Silakan Ibu Elis.
B. Ya, B, do you go.
Kenapa? Bu Elis silakan baca soalnya.
Number 5. B, jawabannya. Do you go to
Oh iya, udah. Udah.
Oke, Mbak Prita, saya lanjut nomor selanjutnya ya.
Ya, Ibu, silakan.
Untuk kelompok 6 ya.
Iya.
Oke, pertanyaannya. He doesn't blah 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 that Mr. Buhima is our math teacher. A, no. B, knows. C, knew. D, known. Untuk kelompok 5 silahkan.
Jawabannya E. Kelompok 6 jawabannya E. No.
Maaf.
Jawabannya E, no.
Oke, korek. Yang jawab siapa, Mbak?
Fani.
Lanjut ya untuk kelompok 7. Rini and her sister always blah 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 English conversation at home. E, are practicing. B, practiced. C, practice. D, practices.
E,
mau jawab.
Kelompok 7 silahkan. Siapa yang jawab?
Sika, si.
Bu Endang.
Bu Endang, si ya. Oke, korek.
Kok Endang bukan Endang?
Yang jawab siapa ya?
Silvi, Kak.
Silvi yang jawab.
Selfie, oke.
Oke, lanjut untuk kelompok 9.
Silvi. Bukan selfie.
Lanjut ya untuk kelompok 9. How often bla 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 coffee? A. Mother drink. B. Mother does drink. C. Did mother drink? D. Does mother drinks?
D. Does mother drink?
Kelompok 9.
Ya.
Siapa yang jawab ya?
Cecep.
Pak Cecep.
Cecep. Oke, correct Pak Cecep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Lanjut untuk kelompok 10 ya. It's blah blah a lot of money to buy that car. It costs, B costed, C costs, D costers. Kelompok 10?
Bu Dwi Asi yang jawab.
Bu. Dwi Asi, oke, correct. Untuk kelompok 11, my mother and my sister, blah blah blah, to work early in the morning. A. Drive, B. Drives, C. Driving, D. Are driving.
A. Drive. A. Drive.
Siapa yang jawab ya?
Epa.
Epa kelompok 11. Oke, correct.
Siap. Terima kasih.
Oke, silakan Mbak Prita.
Saya lagi, Bu. Bentar.
Lanjut, siapa ya? Mbak Wati ya?
Komar. Komar kelompok
Saya Mbak Marsi.
Oh iya, Bu Marsi. Bu Marsi
Saya
belum.
yang lanjut saya.
Ya, silakan Bu Marsi.
Siap. Number 11 ini untuk kelompok 1 ya? Untuk kelompok 1.
Ya, kembali ke kelompok 1 ya.
Iya, kembali ke kelompok 1. Number 11. See blah 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 her dog every day. A. To feed. B. Feed. C. Feed. D. Feeding. Kelompok 1.
C. Feeds.
Siapa kelompok 1 yang jawab ya?
Ibu siapa?
Feeds, Mbak.
Mbak Rini yang jawab. Bu Rini
ya, Bu.
Lanjut number 12. I blah 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 always blah 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 to the dentist. A. Do not go. B. Does not go. C. Do not when. D. Does not when.
Saya. I'm. Jawabannya A. Do not go.
Correct.
Juria.
Oke.
Juria.
Lanjut.
Number 13. When blah 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 you blah 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 shower. A. Do talk. B. Do take. C. Do take on. Do
D.
C. Do taken. D. Do taking.
Do take.
Siapa, Pak?
Do take.
Dengan Pak siapa?
Ini Pak siapa?
Pak Putra.
Pak Putra.
Oh.
Correct.
Oke.
Number 14. Question. Do you like to sing? Answer. A. Yes, I like to sing. B. Yes, I like to sing. C. Yes, I'm liking to sing. D. Yes, I like to sing.
Silakan kelompok 4.
Kelompok 4. Ayo kelompok 4.
Kelompok 4 ada.
Ada.
Lain.
Siapa yang jawab?
Boleh aku lagi?
Mbak Ana, ganti yang lain, Mbak.
Gantian dong.
Ada Mas Randy, ada Mbak Esra, cuman nggak tahu deh yang lain mau jawab.
Ya udah silahkan diwakili, Mbak.
Boleh?
Boleh.
Nomor berapa?
Mana? Nah, tuh Mas Randy datang.
Nomor 14 ya, Bu?
Ya.
Iya, silakan.
Ini kok kayak di dalam
Do you
ML?
like
Yes, I like to sing.
B. Yes, I like to sing.
Correct.
Oke, Mas Randy ya?
Mas Randy ya.
Iya, Bu. Iya, Bu. Terima kasih.
Lanjut. Number 15. Tom and I blah 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 together. A. Do surfing. B. Don't surfing. C. Do surf. D. Don't surf.
Indah, Bu.
Siapa?
Indah.
Ayo, Mbak Indah.
Silakan Mbak Indah.
Ya, Mbak Indah.
Bu, do surf.
Iya.
Si.
Oke, korek.
Korek. Ya, dilanjut Mbak Wati. Lanjut aku masih ya?
Rawati ya?
Lanjut aja.
Lanjut deh.
Dilanjut ya, number 16. I blah 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 breakfast every day at 7 a.m. A. Eat. B. To eat. C. At. D. Eaten. Ini kelompok berapa ya?
Kelompok 6, Bu.
Kelompok 6, enggak?
Kelompok 6.
Kelompok 6 siapa? Kecuali Mbak Fani, selain Mbak Fani.
Bu, ada Bu Wiwi, ada Intan, Lentera. Kan yang mau jawab, Bu.
Apa jawabannya, Mbak?
Jawabannya A, eat. I eat breakfast every day at 7 a.m.
Oke, korek.
Number 17. Question. How do you go to school? Answer. We blah 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 do bus to school.
The bus to school.
The bus to school. A. Road. B. Ridden. C. Ride. D. Riding.
Ibu, right.
Ibu siapa? Bu Puji.
Ya, Puji, Bu.
Dengan siapa ya?
Puji.
Oke.
Iya, dilanjut Mbak Wati, Mbak Mariam. Dilanjut Mbak Mariam.
Nah, Pak Jati. Nomor 18 ya, Bu ya?
Iya, Mbak, silakan.
Question. When do you do your homework? Answer. A. I have did my homework at
6 p.m. B. I did my homework at 6 p.m. C. I do my homework at 6 p.m. I am doing my homework at 6 p.m.
Silahkan kelompok 9.
Saya ya, Bu. Answer C. I do my homework at 6 p.m.
Ya, correct, Bu.
Dengan siapa tadi ya?
Hariko, Mbak.
Next, 19. Question. Do you enjoy playing in the park? Answer. A. No, I doesn't enjoy playing in the park. B. No, I no enjoy playing in the park. C. No, I don't enjoy playing in the park. D. No, I don't enjoy playing in the park. Kelompok
10. Kelompok 10, Mbak. Silakan.
The answer is C. No, I don't enjoy playing in the park.
Oke, Bu Ika ya.
Yeah.
Correct.
For the last, number 20, question. Does he love his mother? Answer. A. He loves his mother. B. He loves his mother. C. He too loves his mother. D. He is loving his mother.
B.
Kelompok 11.
B. He loved his mother.
Dengan siapa, Pak?
Denny.
Oke,
Bu.
Mas Denny. Thank you. Correct.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, Mr. John, and good afternoon, everyone. We have a group of 9 to present about W8 question and future progressive plan. Our from the group consists of I am Cecep Yuswanto, Mrs. Devina, Mrs. Hariko, Mrs. Lisa, Mrs. Mona, and Mrs. Oki. Okay, for the presentation, the next will be read by Mrs. Mona. Mrs. Mona, are you ready, Mrs. Mona?
I'm sorry, Mr. Cecep, Mrs. Lisa, the first.
Oh, Mrs. Lisa. Okay, Mrs. Lisa, are you ready, Mrs. Lisa?
Ready, sir.
Okay, please.
Okay. Thank you for the opportunity, Mr. Cecep. Now for the first, I will talk about WH question and future WH question. Maybe all of us already heard about WH question. What is WH question? WH question is a question initiated with WH question, and the answer is more informative and clear. WH question is a group of words that is used to ask about a place, about person, about time, about object, reason, how, and many others. WH question is usually used as an open question that is explained about something. So you cannot answer the question with only yes or no. WH question memiliki rumus 5W dan 1H, 5W and 1H. Include what, apa, who, siapa, whom, siapa, when, kapan, why, kenapa, where, di mana atau kemana, dan how, bagaimana. Yang pertama, asking a subject. Rumusnya adalah who or what plus verb plus object. For examples, who accompanies you? What happens? And then asking for object or complement or adverb. Rumusnya adalah the QW or question with W plus auxiliary plus verb 1. For examples, what do you feel? Why are you so pale? When will the exhibition? Where is the emergency room? Which one do you want? Whom did you call? And whose shoes are these? Maaf, ini maksudnya shoes sepatu, kurang haknya. Okay, next there will be Mrs. Mona.
Thank you, Mrs. Lisa. Okay, like Mrs. Lisa say about the WH question, and now I will to introduce for the word like who, what, when, where, why, how. Who is a person. Jadi who itu menyatakan untuk seseorang. What is a thing or an action. Is ada what itu untuk suatu benda atau suatu tindakan. When is a time untuk mengartikan suatu waktu. And then where is a place untuk di mana untuk menyatakan tempat. And why is the reason something happen. Jadi why itu digunakan untuk suatu alasan terhadap suatu yang terjadi. About how is a number or way something is done. Jadi how itu bisa digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu keadaan, berapa, seperti number, ukuran, dan lain-lain. Next. There are a number of words the English language that are used primarily to make a question. That words are question words, sometimes known as WH question word. Jadi di mana kata di dalam bahasa Inggris itu digunakan untuk membuat pertanyaan seperti WH question. Like example, what? What is used when asking for information about something? Example, what did you do last evening? Jadi, what itu digunakan untuk menanyakan suatu informasi terhadap sesuatu. Contohnya, apa yang kamu lakukan di sore hari? Like that. When is used when asking for the time. Example, when do you arrive? Jadi, kapan itu digunakan untuk menanyakan suatu waktu. Contohnya, kapan kamu datang? Like that. Where is used when asking for the place. Example, where do you go for your tuition? Kemana kamu akan pergi kuliah? Like that. Who is used when asking for identity of person or person. Who called earlier? Example. Jadi siapa di sini itu untuk menanyakan identitas seseorang. Seperti contohnya siapa yang menelepon sebelumnya, like that. Whose is used when asking about possession. Example, whose place are you staying at? Jadi kata whose di sini itu lebih menyatakan untuk menanyakan posisi. Jadi kamu sekarang tinggal pemilik siapa? Kamu tinggal di tempat siapa? Seperti contohnya seperti itu.
Position itu kepemilikan, Mbak.
Iya, I'm sorry, Mister.
Kepemilikan, bukan posisi tempat ya, tapi position itu sebagai kepemilikan. Jadi.
Okay, thank you, Mister. Which is used to ask about choice. Example, which flavor of ice cream would you like? Which digunakan untuk tentang pilihan. Jadi pilih rasa es krim yang mana yang kamu suka, contohnya. Terus why is used when asking for the reason. Example, why would Why would you say something like that? Mengapa kamu mengatakan sesuatu seperti itu? Contohnya, artinya seperti itu. And I'm sorry, yang di bawahnya nggak kelihatan. Maaf.
How, Mona?
How? Sorry Miss Lisa, ini nggak kelihatan. Aku lanjut yang ke atasnya dulu ya. What asks about thing? What
Iya,
is your favorite?
baca contohnya aja, Mbak. Kan sudah tadi berulang-ulang tentang pengertian
Yes.
what, when.
What? Yeah. What example? What is your favorite clothes? What is your favorite color? Apa warna favorit kamu? Terus when ask about a time, an event, or activity. Kalau yang di sebelah untuk menyatakan suatu waktu, kalau yang di sini untuk menyatakan aktivitas kita. Jadi kapan kamu when do you make up every day? Kapan kamu menggunakan make up setiap hari? Terus where, asking about place. Where can I obtain the books? Di mana saya dapat memperoleh buku ini? Terus who asks about a person, subject. Jadi who is at the door? Siapa yang di pintu? Whom di sini asks about a person, dalam kurungnya itu objek. Whom is he dating? Jadi dengan siapa dia berkencan? Which asks about an opinion or choice, which is the large city in the world. Example, pilih kota terluas di dunia. Whose keys are on the kitchen. Whose di sini menyatakan untuk pernyataan milik. Jadi milik siapa kunci yang di dapur. Why asking for the reason. Why do you say that? Mengapa kamu mengatakan itu? And then how asking about procedure or methods. I'm sorry, in not read for my computer. For my laptop is not read for who-nya.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Next slide.
The next is Miss Oki. The next is Miss Oki. Mrs. Oki. Mrs. Oki, I'm sorry.
Iya, mungkin diganti aja kali.
Kayaknya saya ganti aja, mungkin ya, Pak.
Boleh.
Okay. For the next, I will talk about future progressive tense. Progressive tense, also known as the future continuous tense, is used to indicate future event that will be ongoing or progressive. This construct requires the use of to be as well as the verb with an ending. It follows a general formula of will plus to be plus verb ending with ing. Jadi future progressive tense itu digunakan untuk menggambarkan kondisi yang akan terjadi tapi di masa yang akan datang. For examples, I will be going to university next year. You will be calling the station at noon. I will be eating at 7 o'clock tonight. Okay. That's all, Mr. John. It's time for a quiz, or maybe you want to correction our pronunciation?
Okay. I think Miss Lisa is good pronunciation. I like it. You very clear your pronunciation.
Yeay.
Thank you.
Mantul.
Thank you, Mr. John.
Di Amerika.
Amerika bagian Depok.
Ya apa ya? Ngerti.
Kan kita kampusnya di LA kan.
Oh iya.
Keren.
Lupa.
Los Angeles.
Okay. Any question about the topic? Double edge question sangat jelas ya tadi. Grup 9 lebih bagus presentasinya daripada grup 8 ya. Tadi siapa Mansor ya? Ansor atau Mansor? Iya. Jadi dia baca tapi dia nggak lihat slide-nya ya. Dan lihat slide-nya dibaca aja terus. Okay. Any question about WH question and future progressive? Do you know about the different whom, whose, and who? Ada yang tahu bedanya who, whom, whose? Bedanya apa kira-kira? Kalau which kan pilihan ya. Which one do you want? Untuk memilih. Tapi kira-kira apa perbedaan dari who, whom, sama whose?
Boleh coba, Pak?
Siapa yang mau jawab?
Lisa.
Oke.
Untuk who, kalau saya nggak salah, itu untuk menggambarkan objek. Jadi orang tersebut itu objek. Misalnya who is it? Siapa itu? Jadi lebih menunjukkan orangnya itu sebagai objek. Kalau untuk yang whom itu kepemilikan, tapi kepemilikannya itu orang dan itu sebagai subjek. Kalau whose itu kepemilikan tapi barang. Jadi misalnya whose book is it? Maksudnya buku siapa ini? Jadi lebih ke arah kepemilikan barang, menanyakan orang siapa yang punya barang ini. Kalau nggak salah itu, Pak. Kalau benar.
Oke, dikit lagi.
Saya boleh, Pak?
Boleh, boleh.
Who itu menyatakan subjek, whom itu menyatakan objek. Kemudian contohnya misalkan kalau tadi saya nambahin lagi untuk yang who, contohnya Rini is their teacher. Jadi di situ who is the teacher gitu. Siapa guru? Seperti itu bukan ya, Pak?
Iya, betul. Jadi who itu menanyakan subjek ya. Jadi who is a subject pronoun like I, he, she, we, and etc. Atau nama orang ya. Jadi we use who to ask which person does an action or which person is a certain way. Jadi intinya dia menanyakan si subjeknya, betul. Who is the teacher ya. Kemudian kalau whom seperti apa? Kalau whom itu adalah whom is an object pronoun like him, her, us. We use whom to ask which person receive an action. Jadi whom itu menanyakan objek. Jadi who itu menanyakan subjek, tapi whom itu menanyakan objek. Objeknya ya, bukan subjeknya. For example, contohnya seperti whom will he blame for the accident? Contohnya seperti itu. Oke, jadi kalau whose seperti apa? Jadi tadi dibilang whose itu adalah possessive pronoun ya. kepemilikan dia. Contohnya, whose car is this?
Mobil milik siapa ini, gitu ya? Gitu ya, Pak?
Iya, betul sekali. Jadi artinya
Mobil
siapa ya?
milik siapa ini?
Seperti itu contohnya ya. Atau whose notebook was stolen in the class misalnya. Okay. Any question about WH question or future progressive? Kalau tidak ada, langsung ke exercise aja. Langsung question.
Okay, thank you, Mr. John. Time to quiz. Group 1. Group 1, are you ready, Group 1?
Yeah, it's time to quiz. Come on.
Ready.
Group 1, are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Q, blah, 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 is that? Answer, oh, that is Miss West. I, what, B, who, C, were. Okay.
Correct. Correct.
Yang jawabnya bukan kelompok 1.
Group 1, Group 1.
Siapa tuh yang jawab?
Ini saya mau tanya dulu, Miss West itu perempuan kan ya?
Perempuan dah kayaknya.
Who berarti ya? B ya? Bukan. Miss West itu suatu tempat kan?
Itu makanya.
Bukan.
Oh iya.
Bukan.
Ambigu antara dia ini suatu tempat atau ini dia perempuan.
Who is that?
Perempuan, Kak.
Dia perempuan, Bu. Perempuan.
Berarti jawabannya who ya, B.
Ya, B. Oke, lanjut. Next, kelompok 2.
Silakan Bu Wiwi, ada siap-siap.
Oke. Question, bla 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 bla, is the prom. Answer, she is from Miami. I, who, B, where, C, when.
Where? B.
B. Correct.
Thank you.
Ibu siapa tadi ya? Maaf.
Wiwi, Bu Wiwi.
Ibu Wiwi.
Next slide. Oke, kelompok 3. Bla 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 bla. Hey from. B. They are from Vancouver, Canada. I, where are? B, where is? C, when is?
A, where are?
A, correct.
Where?
Oke, correct. Dengan siapa? Maaf.
Ibu siapa ya?
Bu Charlie.
Charlie. Oke.
Oke, next. Bla 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 bla. Your weekend in Edinburgh. Answer. I didn't go to Edinburgh. I, who is? I, who is? B, who are? C, who was?
Ana mau jawab boleh nggak?
Saya Febri dong, Kak.
Oh,
Kak
boleh,
Febri.
boleh.
Oleh Bu Febri, mangga silakan.
Nggak, Mbak Febri.
Ya, jawabannya C, how was.
How was, correct. Okay, next. Number 5. Slide. Blah 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 is your name. Answer. My name is Gina. I were be when see what.
See what? Oh,
Correct. Dengan Pak Juria ya? Maaf. Dengan siapa?
Gilang.
Oh, Mas Gilang. Oke, correct Mas Gilang.
Gilang kelompok berapa?
Gilang kelompok 2.
Kelompok 5 Bu Jamila.
Kelompok 5.
Kelompok 5. Oke, next. Mangga dilanjut Bu Devina.
Siapa?
Oke.
Kelompok 6. Bla bla bla. Did it occur on Monday? A. When. B. Where. C. Whom. Kelompok 6.
Ya, yang jawab saya ya. Jawabannya A. When.
Sore. Ibu siapa, Bu?
Noni dari kelompok 6.
Next. Kelompok 7. Bla bla bla. Did you date? Because I'm hungry. A. When. B. Why. C. Where. Kelompok 7. Jawab.
Why? B. Why?
Sama ibu siapa, Bu?
Endang.
Bu Endang. Kelompok 8. Next. Bla bla bla. Time is it? It is 9 o'clock. A. What? B. When. C. Whose.
A. What?
A. Correct. Dengan siapa, Bu?
Kalian, Kak.
Lanjut. Nomor 9. Kelompok 10. Bla bla bla. Did you go today? Maybe tomorrow. A. When. B. How. C. What. Kelompok 10.
A, Bu. I went.
Correct.
Correct. Sama Bu Dewi ya?
Iya.
Next. Really, blah blah blah. Did you go? We decided to go Glasgow instead. A. Where. B. What. C. How. Kelompok 11.
Mbak.
Apa? Aku lagi daring. Kamu yang gelap, aku marah.
Correct. Sama ibu siapa?
Tin, Mbak.
Tin. Next. Future progressive tense. Soal nomor 1. Kelompok 12 ya. At midnight we sleep. A. Will be sleeping. B. Will sleeping. B. C. Will sleeping. Kelompok 12.
Kelompok 1, Mbak. Nggak ada
Kelompok 1, Mbak.
Kelompok 1.
A. Will be sleeping.
Sore.
Correct.
Dengan ibu siapa, Bu? Dengan ibu siapa tadi, maaf?
Ibu.
Ima. Oh.
Next, number 2. Time next week we sit blah 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 at the beach. A will be sit, B will be sitting, C will is sitting.
B will be sitting.
Correct. Kelompok 3. At 9 I watch blah 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 the new. Sorry. A will watching, B will be watching, C will be watch. Kelompok 3.
B will be watching. Correct.
Correct.
Thank you.
Dengan Bapak siapa?
Denis Tiadi.
Baiklah.
Kelompok 4. Tonight we cram up blah 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 for our English test. A will be cram up, B will cramming up, C will be cramming up.
Ini ya.
Kelompok 4.
Bania mau jawab nggak?
Ada yang mau jawab?
Yang lain berusukan.
Kelompok 5 yang jawab. C will be cramming up.
Kelompok 5.
Oke,
Korek.
Bu itu ya, Bu Jamilah ya?
Yes, Ayan.
Kelompok 5 ya.
Oke.
They dance blah blah blah. Alright. A will be dance, B
will be dancing. C. Halo.
Korek.
Oh.
Mas Oji.
Kelompok berapa ya Mas Oji?
Nomor
Kelompok
5.
lima.
Kelompok 5.
Kelompok 5 lagi ya?
Yes. Kelompok
Thank you.
6. Eat, not play blah 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 all afternoon. A won't be playing, B won't be play, C won't playing.
A Kak. Won't be playing.
Korek.
Makasih.
Thank
Lanjut kelompok 7. I not work blah 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 all day. A will not be working, B will not working, C will not be work.
A will not be working.
Oke, korek. Dengan Bapak siapa?
Pak Maskur.
Kelompok 8. Eat you blah 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 at 6. A will you be eating, B will be you eating, C B will you eating.
A, will you be eating? Alright.
Korek.
Ibu siapa maaf? Marsi.
Kelompok 9. Drive C blah 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 to London. A C will be driving, will be C driving, C B driving.
Kelompok
C.
10.
Kelompok
C. Will she be driving?
Correct.
Correct.
Ibu siapa, Bu? Maaf.
Bu Dwi, tadi udah jawab.
Bu Dwi ya, Bu Dwi lagi ya. Oke.
Habis nggak ada yang jawab.
Nggak apa-apa, Bu.
Oke, ya. Nomor 10. Fight, they, bla bla bla, again. A, B, will they fighting? B, will they fighting? C, they will be fighting.
B, will they fighting?
Correct.
Kasih.